Welcome back to a new advent calendar video. Today I have another artist trading card to share. I will give away 3 big stamp sets from Rubber Dance. The winner will be drawn randomly from the video that has the most comments. So for a chance to win, make sure to leave a comment on each video of the 24 Days of Christmas series. I'm working on encaustic paper today. That's a very smooth paper. And you normally use it for encaustic paintings, and I'm spraying it with the Colorcraft Brusho mists, and I've also sprayed the backside to avoid the warping, and now I'm sprinkling on some alcohol. I'm repeating the process with different colors from the spray mists and also sprinkling alcohol on it. This creates an awesome texture. It is a big mess, but it's also a lot of fun. I also sprinkle on some Brusho powders. I use a dry cloth to soak up some of the paint puddles. It takes a while until you're finished with one background, and I recommend doing more than one all at once, so you only have one time the whole mess on your desk. The encaustic paper looks a bit milky when it's dry, so I've used the Distress Micro Glaze and covered the whole background. I buffed it with a soft cloth. I have already cut 2 artist trading card sized backgrounds to work with. I start by stamping leaves with Birthmark ink. This is a stamp from Rubber Dance. I use white embossing powder. I do also some background stamping to create a little bit more interest on the background. The stamps that I'm using are all from the Little Birdie stamp set from Rubber Dance. I stamped my main image, the cute bird, with a light distress ink onto some watercolor paper. I'm going for this light color because I want to do some no-line stamping. I use watercolor pencils to color the birdie in. I'm using the Arteza water brush and I'm really impressed by this one. I have a lot of lay in here and some of them soak in the color into the tank and some of them have awful bristles, and these are really gorgeous, and I think they are similar to the Mozart brush pens because I bought some on Amazon and they look totally identical and they are both very great. Before I glue down my bird, I'm adding some metallic acrylic paint sprinkles to the background. And I also decide to go for a black frame. I'm using the Colorcraft acrylic paint and just paint the edges of my card. And I also add some black splatters. I added a Tom Holtz sticker to finish it up. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a comment for a chance to win the 3 stamp sets from Rubber Dance. I hope we see us tomorrow. Bye!